¿Qué tal, amigos de ESPN Deportes 1460? Estamos en este momento en una entrevista exclusiva, ni más ni menos que con Alonso Benesra. Él es de los organizadores de la Expo Fan Box en Las Vegas Convention Center. Así es, la expo de boxeo que se estará llevando a cabo precisamente de las 10 de la mañana a las 5 de la tarde, justo antes de que empiece la pelea de Mayweather. Así es de que puede vivir todo un día boxístico si usted asiste a la expo. Vamos a estar hablando en este momento con Alonso. ¿Quiénes son los peleadores que van a estar ahí? ¿Qué es lo que usted puede encontrar en esta fabulosa expo que se va a llevar a cabo en Las Vegas Convention Center? Y bueno, pues me va a tocar traducir un poco, así es de que, how you doing, Alonso? Thank you for being here with us.
Gracias. I'm really happy to be here.
Well, why don't you tell us a little bit about this expo, how big it is, and what people can find in this expo?
Well, the idea was to bring the fans, because it's all about the fans with the boxing world. And we wanted to do something and give back to the fans that deserve to have the ability and the chance to meet their fighters, their favorite fighters, face to face, take a picture, sign an autograph, have a face-off with the favorite fighters, buy merchandise from each of the fighters, because each fighter have their own booth, and you can go from one booth to another and meet all these guys and buy their merchandise. And you can also meet boxing apparel companies and have a great time. There's music, DJ, ring card girls, beautiful girls there, so it's an amazing feeling.
Bien, pues nos dice Alonso que es tiempo de regresarle algo a los fanáticos del boxeo por parte de los boxeadores, y cada uno de los boxeadores va a tener su propio booth donde usted va a poder llegar a que le firmen, a que se tome la foto, a que se divierta, y sobre todo el espectáculo del boxeo en su máximo esplendor como preludio para la pelea de Floyd Mayweather. Así es de que si usted tiene sus guantes, se los puede llevar para que le pongan por ahí su autógrafo. Puede usted también adquirir mercancía de los boxeadores que van a estar presentes en esta expo. Alonso, tell us which Hispanic fighters are we gonna find in this expo?
Okay, well, obviously we have the legend Roberto Duran.
Manos de Piedra Durán.
Sí. Manos de Piedra. Sí. And we have also Fernando Vargas, who's going to be there.
Fernando El Feroz Vargas.
El Feroz.
Excelente.
Sí. Jesse Vargas, who's a great guy.
And he's a great friend of ours. He's been with us a lot of times.
Yes, I really like him. We also have Joel Casamayor, the Cuban.
The Cuban guy, yeah. Great fighter.
Gold medal winner. We got Jorge Linares, who's Colombian. We got, he's a WBC champion. We got Rances Barthelemy, who's a Dominican fighter, also another champion. And we also have Manuel Medina, who's a 5-time world champion. And I think we have a few more coming in, but with the PBC, because we have the Premier Boxing Champions. We just confirmed with them. Mm-hmm. They're going to bring many of their fighters, the PBC fighters. They're going to bring in a lot of their fighters. So it's going to be, we're going to have way over 50, 60 fighters that the fans can meet.
Excellent. How about on the Anglo side? Who are you going to be able to see on this expo? Ya escuchó usted los grandes boxeadores que van a estar por ahí, solamente por mencionar algunos: Fernando Feroz Vargas, Jesse Vargas va a estar ahí, y sobre todo la leyenda del boxeo, Roberto Manos de Piedra Durán. Who else are we going to find in this, Alonso, in this expo?
We're going to have Timothy Bradley, Desert Storm Bradley, Sergio Martinez as well.
Sergio La Maravilla Martínez, el argentino.
The Argentinian fighter, unbelievable fighter. We have Terry Norris, El Terrible Norris. We got Mia St. John. She was a former WBC champion as well. Zab Judah. We got James Lights Out Tony. We got Mike McCollum, Wayne McCollum, Austin Trout. We got Ray Boom Boom Mancini.
Wow.
Really, I mean,
a lot of
we
stars,
got so many fighters,
stars,
and that's not even counting.
Solo estrellas.
It's not even counting the PBC fighters that we're going to be announcing next week. They're giving us a big list of the fighters and TV personalities. They're going to come at their big booth, and the fans are going to love it because they're going to do a lot of giveaways to the fans.
Well, es una excelente oportunidad que usted no debe de perder, porque simplemente imagínese estar con su ídolo, tomarse la foto, estar entre tantas y tantas estrellas del boxeo bajo un mismo techo. Y después el plato fuerte, la pelea para conmemorar la independencia de México de Floyd Mayweather contra André Berto. Así es de que todo un día de boxeo, si usted va a la expo y luego se lanza a ver la pelea de Mayweather en el MGM Grand Garden Arena.
And one thing that is important, we're going to have also the WBC, the World Boxing Council, and the WBA, different companies like Title Boxing, Hayvok, Rival, Clito Reyes, who's the Mexican brand.
Yeah, Clito Reyes for gloves. Yeah,
The glove company is going to be there. We're going to have City Boxing Gym. Brooklyn Fit Boxing is with Sergio Martinez. He's promoting his own gym that is in Spain. They're going to be promoting that. We're going to have Ringside VIP, the Kronk Gym from Emmanuel Stewart, the legendary Emmanuel Stewart. We have also the Nevada Boxing Hall of Fame. They're going to have their booth.
Excellent, yeah.
And we're going to have our store, the Box Fan Expo store. You can buy t-shirts there as well to remember the expo.
Imagínense toda la gente que va a estar ahí de las diferentes asociaciones mundiales de boxeo y sobre todo que va a haber una tienda para los fans del boxeo donde usted va a poder adquirir cualquier tipo de mercancía de boxeo. Let me ask you something.
Sure.
What do you think? Don't you think that this awkward way of fighting for a lot of people, and I'm talking about Floyd Mayweather, don't you think that credibility it's kind of on a little bit on the dark side right now on boxing? What do you think about that?
I believe that boxing is in a great position right now with the Golden Boy, Top Rank, the PBC, all these promoters doing different fights from different way. All it does, it just gives more fights for the fans, and I believe there's, and this is why the expo we have no competition. We do it for the fans. So basically, for me, boxing is I'm passionate about boxing. I think whether you're a Mayweather fan or you're a Pacquiao fan or a Canelo fan, as long as you follow boxing, it doesn't matter what style you prefer, because everybody has a different style.
How do you describe Mayweather's style? How would you describe it?
Listen, whether you like him or you don't like him, it doesn't matter, because scientifically, he's a very smart boxer. He's good in marketing. He's showing other fighters on how to market themselves with his brand, the TMT, and I believe that it's called the sweet science for a reason, boxing. And it is a scientific sport. It's not just coming in and putting two gloves and fighting. Even when you see fighters that are guys like Cotto that are a bit more aggressive, and Canelo, there's still a science into it. Canelo Alvarez is not a pure traditional Mexican fighder like
no, it's not. No, it's
like
not.
Like a guy like Cesar Chavez, who was really.
Before we get into this, let me do a little bit of translation. Le pregunto a Alonso que qué tanta credibilidad ha perdido en este momento el boxeo debido a la manera tan de repente no tan al gusto de todo el mundo en el que pelea Floyd Mayweather Jr. y sobre todo que cómo lo describe él como boxeador, siendo un experto en el boxeo. Y me dice que él ve a un peleador inteligente que pelea de una manera científica. Él ha encontrado la manera de no perder, de ganar sus peleas y hacer millones y millones de dólares, cosa que es válido. A eso se va a pelear, a eso se sube al ring un peleador a arriesgar el físico. Entonces dice que no solamente Mayweather tiene ese estilo, sino que también Canelo Álvarez está cayendo más o menos en el mismo estilo de pelea de Mayweather, ganar sus peleas de una manera científica con un boxeo ahora sí que calibrado. So you think that also Canelo is learning how to do the same type of boxing?
I think he's not learning. He's always been like this. He understands that there's also defense, and he understands that you cannot just come in. In boxing, you cannot just come in straight face to face. You just have to be smart on how you give your punches and how you receive them and how you block them. So there's many different aspects of the game that some people might enjoy it, some people might not. I personally, I'm a fan of both. I love watching a brawl like we had the other night with Abner Maris and Santa Cruz. And I love also watching something technical where each fighter is thinking. Some people may not have liked the Pacquiao and Mayweather fight. I personally knew that it was going to happen like this. You can't expect Mayweather to stand there and brawl with a guy like Floyd. With a guy like Manny Pacquiao, you got to fight smart. And the guys that don't fight smart, they lost against Manny. So it's up to Manny. It's up to Manny Pacquiao or other fighters, guys like Canelo or other boxers, to figure out on how to penetrate that defense. And it's up to Floyd to try to block him.
Nobody has ever done it yet. So
well, Jose Luis Castillo came pretty close. He had a great fight the first time around. I know possibly they said Floyd was not.
Oscar de la Hoya too.
Oscar de la Hoya did good for the first few rounds. He didn't do enough later on, but he didn't do enough only because I believe Floyd did not let him do enough. So you cannot discredit Mayweather. You cannot, but I give big.
We cannot discredit Mayweather for being, a different fighter.
He doesn't want to get hit, and it's totally normal.
He's transforming boxing right now. His style. Now a lot of fighters are looking to him, as an example what to do on the ring.
Yeah, and they
how to make money too.
Yeah. The only difference is that he's been doing it since he was 5-6 years old. So that same style, you cannot just come in and try to emulate it. You have to do this like you're drinking water.
Hablando acerca del estilo de Floyd Mayweather Jr., está diciéndonos Alonso que pues el estilo de Mayweather simplemente no ha encontrado quien abra esa defensa que tiene Floyd Mayweather, y que peleadores como el Canelo han encontrado en él un estilo de boxeo que les permita obviamente sostenerse por más largo tiempo en el ring y también ganar mucho dinero, cosa que es válido en el boxeo, que no todo es acerca de enfrentarse cara a cara y empezar a tirar golpes. El boxeo está cambiando, realmente está cambiando, porque ahora es más estratégico y, como bien lo dice Alonso, es más científico. Desde ese punto de vista vamos a empezar a ver estrategias más cerradas, porque realmente en la última pelea que vimos entre Abner Mares y Leo Santa Cruz se vieron unas estrategias muy muy bien delineadas, simplemente que uno fue mejor que el otro, pero ambas estrategias eran excelentes. Alonso.
Even Julio Cesar Chavez, the great.
Oh man,
he was a great fighter, but he didn't just come in and brawl. He brawled smart. So that was his style.
Smart, yeah.
That was his style. I enjoy watching Chavez. I enjoy watching Canelo. I think they're great fighters. And I enjoy watching Floyd. He's also a great fighter. It's just depending on what you like and what you don't like.
Bueno, pues todas estas leyendas, todo lo que usted siente a través del boxeo, a través del deporte de Fistiana, todo lo que representa el ambiente de una gran pelea, usted lo va a poder vivir en carne propia este 12 de septiembre en Las Vegas Convention Center. Recuerde, la expo va a estar abierta al público desde las 10 de la mañana hasta las 5 de la tarde, justo antes de que usted se lance a ver la pelea de Mayweather al MGM Grand Garden Arena. No se pierda esta Box Fan Expo. Todo un día de boxeo, así como nos gusta, así es de que no se la puede usted perder. Más de 50 peleadores van a estar ahí, autógrafos y sesiones de fotos, y también va a poder usted pues tomarse el tiempo necesario para convivir con ellos. Puede visitar usted la página www.boxfanexpo.com. Puede también contactar en Facebook. En Facebook puede ir también a Box Fan Expo, o en Twitter, Box Fan Expo, para que usted siga este magno evento. Thank you very much, Alonso, for being here with us. Thank you for sharing this, and I hope to see you there.
Thank you very much. I welcome all the fans, the Spanish fans, and all the boxing fans. If you're a boxing fan, you need to be at the expo and celebrate the sport of and just meet all your favorite fighters. BoxFanExpo.com. Get your tickets now.
For those parents who have a couple of kids, how much are they going to be charging them?
At the door, it's going to be $40. Online, if you buy them now on the internet, it's $30 in advance, which is very reasonable. A portion of this also goes to help out some foundations that we help out.
Bueno, pues el precio son $40 si los compra en la puerta, y $30 el boleto por persona si lo ordena en línea. Y en línea, ahí lo tiene, www.boxfanexpo.com. Ahí puede usted comprar los boletos a 30, y mucho del dinero que se recauda en las entradas va precisamente para las organizaciones a las que precisamente este evento ayuda. Organizaciones que necesitan, obviamente, de dinero para poder subsistir. Ya lo sabe. Lo invitamos cordialmente a que no se pierda este día completito de boxeo. Anything else you want to say, Alonso?
Yes, I hope next We're going to have more Mexican fighters. We invite every fighter. We invited Julio Cesar Chavez, Marquez. I'm inviting him again, and Canelo. Hopefully, they're going to come in the following years. I keep telling them that it's about the fans. If they love the fans, they need to be at the expo to meet them and to give back to the fans what they gave to them all these years. So it's a back and forth. So I'm inviting, this is an official invitation again to all these Mexican fighters, Barrera, Marco Antonio Barrera, Morales, Canelo. We invited all of them. For some reason, some of them said they can come, but hopefully with the years,
they just might be there at the last minute. You never know.
You never know. But with the expo last year, we had so many fighters coming in at the last minute.
Oh, excellent.
But so we're inviting them. We want the fans and the expo to grow together, and it's going to be an amazing event. Last year we had over 3,000 people. And this year we're expecting even more.
Bien, pues nos dice Alonso que peleadores como Saúl Canelo Álvarez, Marco Antonio Barrera, Eric el Terrible Morales, muchos más han estado invitados, Julio César Chávez, han estado invitados a este evento. No pueden confirmar que vayan a estar ahí, han estado invitados, pero dice Alonso que el año pasado, en la expo del año pasado, muchos llegaron al último minuto, es decir, sin confirmar, y estuvieron presentes en la expo. Así es de que por ahí puede haber incluso muchas más sorpresas en esta Box Fan Expo, este 12 de septiembre de las 10 de la mañana a las 5 de la tarde. Alonso, thank you very much for being here.
Thank you for inviting me, and we're looking forward to seeing you guys.
We'll be there for sure. Thank you, Alonso.